occurs in County, Northern Rice County, Central Sullivan County, until 6:15 a.m. At 12:18 a.m., Doppler radar indicated trailing thunderstorms producing very heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. You can expect life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Salina, Marquette, Chase, Assyria, Gypsum, Geneseo, Smolin, New Cambria, Phelan, Frederick, Kannapolis State Park, Kannapolis Lake,